up, guys? It's akeyachic. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, I did the no meat diet challenge, whatever you're gonna call it, but I ate only veggies for a week. I actually did pretty good for the most part. Spoiler alert, on the last day I did little meatballs, some shrimp, but it's all good. I definitely recommend this challenge. It made me really think about what I was putting into my body, what I was consuming. Veggies are always a healthier option, so if you guys want to try out the challenge, let me know. If you're really serious about it, I can recommend you guys some vegetarian options. I have meat alternatives, everything. So if you're serious about it, definitely message me. I always respond back to DMs and all that, so feel free to message me. I'm not rambling and let y'all watch this footage. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to vlog because I'm starting a no meat diet. I was gonna say challenge, but I don't know, it's probably a challenge out there, but I really made this up for myself, you feel me? But I'm starting a no meat diet. I'm going to start out by doing it for a week, and we'll see how far I go. I'm gonna vlog it for a week, and then at the end of the week I'll let y'all know if I'm gonna continue doing it or if I'm just gonna quit. But yeah, I want to do this because a lot of people around me are either vegan or vegetarian, so they're telling me about the health benefits, and I want to try it out for myself because lately I've been feeling really tired and sluggish, and it's hard for me to stay focused and motivated. So I want to try and change my diet up a little bit and see how it goes. So today is Saturday, November 24th, the Saturday after Thanksgiving. But so yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog and report to you guys what I'm eating for the day. My aunt, she's vegan, so she gave me some tips and some stuff that I could try. So yeah, what I'm eating right now, I just got off the train, but I'm back, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating right now. So this is a croissant. It's basically cheese and egg croissant. It comes with sausage, but I told them to hold the sausage. So yeah, this is like my breakfast. I'm going to work later, so I'm probably gonna eat something at work. But yeah, I also got a muffin because your girl loves chocolate. So yeah, but this is what I'm eating to start off the day. So I'm gonna be snacking on these. I already got some going, but I have a whole nother container. But yeah, these are really good to snack on. I usually make sandwiches for snacks, so I'm trying to find other alternatives. I know peanut butter is good. I'm probably gonna buy some jelly whenever I go to Walmart. But yeah, these are pretty good. So I got a burrito bowl, no meat. It just has cilantro lime rice, black beans, cheese, guacamole, sour cream, grilled onions, regular onions. Yeah, so this is what I'll be eating tonight. I usually get chips, but I didn't feel like it. They always go to waste. So yeah, this is what I'm eating. Hey guys, so it's the third day of my no meat diet. Earlier today I had like a pastry and a muffin. Now I'm eating a veggie sub that I got at our student center, plus some chips. I'm gonna eat this before I go to work. Last night I ate 2 burrito bowls from this place called Core Life. My friend, he's been a vegetarian for a year. He works there, so if you guys are a vegetarian, vegan, or whatever, y'all should definitely go check them out. I don't know if they're only in North Carolina, but I might do a little research and I'll put it at the bottom of the video to let y'all know. I did have a dream about steak yesterday, so that's pretty weird. I usually don't ever dream about food. I do miss meat. Like, if y'all know me, I love steak, I love ribs, I love chicken, so this is definitely gonna be a challenge in the long run. I know I can do it for a week. It's just after that, I don't know if a girl gonna be able to continue. But I'm about to eat this sub, and I'm probably gonna take a nap before I go to work. But I just wanted to come on here and record that. I'm probably gonna eat a burrito bowl. See, but I'll try to record whatever I eat. But yeah, guys, I'll see y'all later. This is at night. I ended up eating a bowl from Core Life. It was so good. People thought I had meat in it, but I definitely didn't. The next day, I didn't really record that much footage, but this is just a veggie sub from SubConnection in our student center. Yeah, that was bomb as well. Hey guys, so it's my 5th day of the no meat diet that I'm doing. Last night I had a quesadilla at my job. Today for breakfast I'm eating a bagel, egg, and cheese sandwich. I still eat egg and cheese. I'm not going vegan. I'm just going vegetarian, you feel me? So yeah, it's pretty good. I usually do this on a regular basis, but I would just add meat to it, so just eating the egg and cheese, and it's pretty good. My friend was telling me, he's been vegetarian for a couple of months. He was telling me that I need to take B12 vitamins, and basically B12 is in meats. So yeah, we're supposed to, if you decide to go vegetarian or vegan, you need to take vitamins, because some of the stuff in meat we actually need. So I was looking up and see what actually contains B12, and I seen cheese, eggs, I think it was like yogurt, low-fat yogurt or something like that. So just wanted to include that in there if you guys were thinking about, you know, going vegetarian or vegan long term. Yeah, definitely just do your research, because he told me that and I definitely would have known. I mean, I eat cheese and eggs, but still, yeah. So it's definitely a noodles type of night. Didn't really get to eat any food today, so. All right, y'all, it's the 6th day of my no meat diet. Earlier, I look rough. I just got off work, you already know. But earlier, I ate a Chick-fil-A. Didn't get the chicken on it. I put fries as a substitute for the meat, but it was actually still good. Tonight, I'm doing the same thing, and I'm eating at Burger King. I haven't eaten Burger King in years, but my coworker, she's vegetarian, so she be doing this and she enjoy it, so I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I mean, if you trying to go vegetarian, y'all could do this too, but I'm gonna see how it is. Tomorrow's the last day of this diet. I have a fashion show tomorrow, so don't really know how that's gonna work. I guess we'll just see. Hopefully I don't mess up on my diet. But yeah, but that's it, guys. I'm about to eat and take a shower and then go to sleep. But bye, guys. Ew, sorry, the sauce got on my fingers. That's at the fries. And I guess we'll see how this is. This looks so trash. Chick-fil-A was a little better about the appearance, but alright, guys, so it's the morning of the fashion show, and today I'm eating this Honey Bunches of Oats granola. I'm gonna eat it as cereal. I just have some almond milk, and yeah, so I'm about to eat this. I need to eat something before the show. They said they'll have snacks, but I'm still gonna eat something now. Later, I'm probably gonna get some food too, since the show starts at 7 and we have to be there at 1. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated of what I'm eating. And this is the last day, so probably by the end of the day of tomorrow, I'll tell you guys if I'm gonna continue this no meat challenge. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
I forgot to say no ice again.
Yeah, they got ice in mine too.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you definitely did, leave your girl a thumbs up. You know, if you try out the challenge. That is the end of this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and if you feeling your girl, cause we cool over here. Check out my other video, my latest video right here, and you can subscribe on this side. You feel me? It's whatever you want to do. You can do both. You can hit the folks. You can say yeah. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, you got 2 options, you know. What you want to do?